Hi honey, guess what we're doing today?
I don't know. What are we doing today?
We're taking the Caravan to get weighed. We've got the permit. Permit is there. So what are you looking at me like that for? This is a normal video. She's embarrassed. I know, she doesn't do it all the time. Anyway.
Oh, it is just you.
It's just me, yeah. But it's just us. But anyway, we got it ready. Got the gate open. We're about to bring in Nick's territory. We're going to get it weighed this morning. So it's 9 o'clock and it's going to be at 10 o'clock our appointment. So I'm getting it out the front now. So anyway, you ready? I'll go get the car.
Born ready, honey. Born ready.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Oh. I'm going to go get the car.
Okay, so very exciting. Here's Richard. He's reversing back to the Caravan. So very, very excited about that. Oh, whoops. Wrong way.
How do I go?
You kissed it.
Oopsies. Okay, you can not video this bit.
Oh, okay. This is the bit that we don't video. Why don't we video this bit?
Because it takes time, Nicole.
Oh.
Well, why do you ask me these questions?
Well, I've got to know what makes a good video and what doesn't make a good video.
Right.
Right. Do you need help?
I need to get it up. This is my problem, Nicole. I never get it up.
Well done, hon.
Oh, you're welcome. Just hope the jockey wheel can handle that bit.
Do you need me to help with my super muscles?
Oh boy, I think I need to go back a little bit. It's going to be hard to do that with me while you video.
Do you want me to stop?
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's just get it on there.
Yeah, but hang on, you might fall over this and that will make good video footage. No, you didn't. Not funny? Okay. There it goes, everybody. Back into the car. Woo!
Don't annoy me.
We're excited.
Go in there.
Oh! He tells me that's not going in there. I'll have to make my own video. Whoop. A little bit more.
How'd that go?
Yeah, not bad. I think a little. Yeah.
What?
Now that's perfect. Look at that. Perfect. There's his butt.
No one cares about my butt.
Even your butt's not going in your video. It's a good looking butt.
Okay, we did change. I hope it passes, Nikki.
Me too, Richie.
And year and a half on this thing.
I know.
And a lot of money.
I know. Right. Yeah. Thank you.
What's wrong? What happened?
Yeah. Split water all over me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. So, is it the right thing for the thing?
I'm not sure which way it goes. Let's go that way. Okay, this is when we do the
We open up the boot.
this is when we do the lights.
Okay, but the boot's not shut properly.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
You need to go around the back.
Okay, we've got to go around the back, everyone. We've got to check out the lights. Okay. Yep. 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 Yep.
Reverse lights on?
What?
Reverse lights?
Yep.
The white one?
No.
No?
No white ones. The white ones have not lit up.
Okay. Oh, we got one of these little things. Obviously the reverse lights.
There are reverse lights.
Obviously. Why do you keep doing this to me? Right, we're off.
We are.
I'm going to drive up there and hopefully not get bogged up the wet hill.
Okay. I'll video you.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, here we go.
Here we go. Good luck.
Yeah.
Toot toot chugga chugga, big white car. Can you make it pull in the caravan? Oh, oh, oh. Oh dear. Oh, that did not sound good. We had rain last night. Oh boy, we're in trouble. Oh shit.
Hey guys, right, we've made it. Going up the backyard, we had to put pavers along, it just sprayed mud everywhere. So you can just see mud there. We won't be putting in the backyard again. Look at the front of that. Doesn't matter. So anyway, and Nick and Hainsley had to push it. Good job, Nick. Oh, muscles. So we've already got one guy there weighing his caravan. So this will be interesting to see if we pass or not. I hope we bloody do. So anyway, if I stand back, you can actually see. It's actually a little bit exciting because I've been building this thing for a year and a half, and it actually travelled pretty good on the way. But yeah, look at that. I'm pretty happy. I just hope it bloody passes, I really do. So there you go. Alright guys, I'll video once it's on the pad. Alright, so we've actually weighed the car by itself, and now we're weighing the Caravan by itself. And we've actually got, you can't exceed any more than 270 on our ball. And we've got it at 98 kilo on the table, so it's looking good so far. Anyway, we'll see what the weights are at the end of it all. Alright guys, here is the report. That's what the Caravan is. So with axles 909, toe ball's 98, and that trailer is 1,007 kilo. So I'm pretty happy with that. And that is a report for the car, and that is the weights on the actual Caravan. 426 on the left wheel, 482 on the right. And there it is all there. So anyway, I've made an appointment to go to VicRoads, and we'll book that in and see how we go there. Alright, I finally got it back home. I've got it all locked up and everything. I'll probably wash all this. It's got all mud and shit from up the backyard. Bloody terrible. Alright, so I've got the security lock on there. Bit of overkill, but I don't want anyone stealing after all the work I've done. So we've got a wheel clamp on there, and there's another one. Yes, I've changed it to the tree. So there you go. Rightio, so what I've done is it's actually booked in next Tuesday. So yeah, she's actually booked in for Tuesday. Today's Wednesday, because I've still got the permit for 28 days or something. And then hopefully VicRoads is gonna say, yeah, we're happy with that, and then get it registered. If not, there'll be another hurdle to jump. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with that. Just want to show you this. Hainsley, my middle boy, that's his car there. He's taking it to Mount Hotham tomorrow, so he's off to the snow. So that will be exciting. Him and his girlfriend are going to the snow for 4 months. So there you go. Right, so I'm just going to quickly tarp this. I'm not going to show you tarping it, but just letting you know the weights were awesome. I'm pretty happy with it. Just to recap on all that. If you want to get your Caravan weighed, see this guy. He does the whole damn lot. It's awesome. So there you go. There we go. I just got it all tarped up, just so the leaves and all that stuff, these leaves are going to drop down on this. So anyway, she's all tarped up until next Tuesday. So I've got to untarp it and take it to VicRoads on Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. So no leaves on top, which will be good. Anyway, there we go. Hey guys, right, it's Tuesday morning. I've got the Caravan hooked up, so we're ready to go. I'm about to go to VicRoads, and I've got all my documentation here, so I'm going to be off. So I've got it all hooked up, ready to go. Alright, let's go. We're off to VicRoads. Guess what? Guess what? I've got it registered. So we're going to put the plates on at home. Bloody happy. She is registered. Woohoo! Actually, it looks like I can. I'm gonna rivet it on. So I can't really video this, but anyway, I'm gonna put it on. There we go, guys. She's on. She's registered. I'm blue friggin' happy. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at our van. Alrighty, I got it home. I just pushed it up there. It wasn't easy. That little bump over here is a bit of a bugger. But anyway, I've chained it up. Got the wheel clamp on it now. Look at that. It's done. Caravan's registered on the road. I'm happy. Finally. Just got to sort out insurances. But anyway. Very happy, guys. That was a bit of a project. So now we just got to start fitting inside all the materials and stuff. All the materials in there. And containers and that type of thing. One thing I didn't show you was I got brand new clearance lights. So I put them on there for the registration as well. And they are the original, they're the original clearance lights that come off it. So there you go. Got done that side. Look at that. I'm freaking happy with that. And there's a new one there, and a new one there. So I'm just going to tarp it back up. But anyway, there you go. Alright, there you go, guys. I'm super relieved. I'm so relieved that it's registered on the road now. We can actually hitch it up and go. So I can start setting it up for the road and we can start weighing stuff. So there you go. Alright, guys, hope you liked that. That was a bit of an adventure. Thanks for watching all the Caravan videos. If you want to see all the Caravan videos from scratch, there's a playlist of Caravan videos. Alright, catch you later.